Hi everyone. Now we're going to make brownies with a mix. This is really fast and simple because you only have to add your beans, a little water. I'm doing this in the food processor, but you can actually make this in the blender also if you have a high-speed blender. So we're putting the black beans in there, canned. You can use pre-cooked any kind of beans you like. Some dates, just a little coconut oil, not much as you can see. And now we're going to put a little almond butter. And an optional ingredient you can put in here are a couple drops of orange oil. Make sure it's doTERRA or Young Living because it has to be a therapeutic grade oil to use it internally. And that's it. Now we're going to mix this up. And that's your cookie dough. Look at that. It's beautiful. Just put that in your bowl. And mix in your dry ingredients, step 2. And you mix. And you can add some optional ingredients at this time. I'm going to add a little walnut and some chocolate chips. It's up to you if you want to add those. Gives it more chocolatey. And now, spread these out into your 9-inch pan. Take your clothespins off. And stick that in the oven for about an hour, 50 to 60 minutes at 350. For more recipes like this, go to our website and check out our social media channels and be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.